Have you ever wondered why we have different seasons? This intriguing cycle of change influences everything from our choice of attire to the crops we are able to cultivate. Consider the sweltering heat near the equator, unbroken throughout the year, with only dry and rainy seasons to mark the passing of time. Or the Mediterranean, with its scorching summers and fleeting autumns, followed by cool, wet winters. So, different regions experience different climates, but have you ever thought about why this is the case? The reason why we have seasons is because the Earth moves around the Sun. Now, this isn't as straightforward as it might sound. You see, our Earth doesn't sit straight up and down on its journey around the Sun. Instead, it's tilted at an angle. This tilt, along with our planet's annual trip around the Sun, causes the different seasons we experience throughout the year. Let's take the Northern Hemisphere as an example. In the months of December, January, and February, the North Pole is tilted away from the Sun. Because of this tilt and the way sunlight hits the Earth, these areas experience colder weather, or what we call winter. But it's not always chilly in the Northern Hemisphere. When June, July, and August roll around, the North Pole tilts towards the Sun. This tilt brings about warmer weather, or summer, in these regions. Meanwhile, the Southern Hemisphere experiences the total opposite. When it's winter in the Northern Hemisphere, the Southern Hemisphere enjoys its summer since it's tilted towards the Sun. And when the North is basking in the summer heat, the South is bundled up in winter, tilted away from the Sun. So, the tilt of our Earth plays a significant role in the changing of our seasons. It's this slight tilt that brings about the variety of climates and weather changes we experience throughout the year, making our planet a truly fascinating place to live. Now try to imagine you live in Northern Europe or New Zealand. Picture the distinct seasons painting landscapes right outside your window. What would you do during the summer? Perhaps you'd revel in the long sunny days, feeling the warmth on your skin as you go hiking, swimming, or simply enjoying a picnic in the park. Now consider winter. Can you see yourself bundled up in warm clothing, sipping hot cocoa, perhaps engaging in snowball fights or building a snowman? It's fascinating how the Earth's tilt and its journey around the Sun can transform our activities and lives. But what about the North and South Poles? How do these extreme ends of our planet differ? There's an entire world of knowledge waiting for you to explore. Dive into reference books or surf the internet to uncover these polar mysteries. Remember, the changing seasons are a result of our Earth's tilt and its journey around the Sun. It's this celestial dance that brings variety to our lives and our planet.